Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your girl Pauline from my crafting hut coming to you with yet another video, another man's concept that I'm putting together using one of CVS robes. So if you're new to my channel, listening for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like, hit the comment, and hit the share. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and supporting your girl. I really, really appreciate you. With that being said, let's go ahead and do this quick concept. So, as I said, this is one of the robes that we got from CVS. And what I'm using here is this charger plate that I got from the Dollar General. It was before the Christmas holidays, but yeah. And of course, it is green. It is green. So what I did is I just took the robe out of the packaging and I left it the way it's wrapped, and I just stood it up on the charging plate, just like that. Just stood it up there. And then I went ahead and I took a piece of fishing line here that we use to help secure products. So I used that to secure the rope to the plate by putting the fishing line under the charging plate and bringing it up through the straps here, underneath the straps, and up over the rope. And that way it secure the rope to the charging plate. And then I went ahead and I loosened the straps so that I can fit my products sitting right in there, just like that. So we have the Axie body wash that I got from um, Ross, for $3.99. Then I have one of the colognes that we got from the cologne shop that LBE and a few other people have been talking about. I took the cologne out of the box. I think I showed this part yesterday. And I put it in this little container with the Dove body cream. And on the side there, we have the Dove deodorant. So the straps of the robe is holding everything together. Even though I did put some glue, I used my dot glue to secure the products to the charger plate uh, for a little extra support. And yeah, that is it. That is the concept. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cello wrap this. And this is a 24 by 30 cello bag. Right. Let's see, it should be the right size for this. Let's go ahead and get a station in here. Looks like the perfect size for me. Okay. Yep, I think that will work. Okay. Let's go ahead and get it. I think I want to turn that. What I'm doing, the things here, just gonna wrap them a little bit to the back so that they won't be so noticeable. Oh, just the lighting here a little bit. Okay. All right, y'all. So coming together. Going to use quite a bit of tape. So I want to make sure that Everything is secured here. Okay, y'all. So I went ahead and finished wrapping this offline so as not to make the video too long. Look like, okay, I'm gonna have to put you all on hold again. Look like one of my grandkids are here. So I'll be babysitting. Hold on. So y'all, I did say that I'm not going to make more than 30 or 40 baskets. And I think I'm just about at that number. Um, let's see. I've been trying to keep track of them, but let's see, the last 6 or 7, I have not recorded yet. So, okay. Oh, I'm not even close. So this is number 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22, 24. Okay, I'm close. I think I'm at number 24, 25, maybe even 26. I have to check what I have in the house. So yeah, so I'm getting close. And who knows if I'm still feeling it after I reach that quote of 30 or 40, I might go ahead and still make some more because they're not going to say Father's Day, Happy Father's Day or anything. So I can even keep them for other occasions. So yeah, you also this is the finishing concept. So let's stand up. Let's get that closer. Once again, it's the CVS roll. It's the attached to the charger plate with fishing wire. It's a cologne in there. A Dove, not Dove, Axie deodorant, and the Axie body wash. So, y'all, if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. Even if you haven't made it this far, thank you for uh, watching as far as you could have gotten. We all have a busy life. And thank you so much for visiting my channel. Again, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the share. I really appreciate everything. So until the next video, God bless and have a good day. See ya.